I will show you how to make this beautiful tabletop water fountain for less than $15. So you will need a water pump, a glass bowl, two small pots, three lids, one plastic container, drill machine, some stones and some flowers. And then I also used a small stand. You can use anything, but it should look something similar to this. And then a small piece of pipe. So you need to drill holes into all of these pots and then these lids. So just use a small, I have already drilled a hole into this, so just use a small drill and then it's pretty easy to drill hole into this. So just make hole like this in all of these lids and then pots. Once you do that, then it's just the arrangement of all these pots and lids. So you just take the glass bowl and put this water pump. Now because this water pump is slightly big, I cut one of the plastic container and I cut this into this shape so that it will fit this pump. And also make a hole for this plastic container. And now you can arrange this. So just put this plastic container on this water pump and then put this pipe and then just arrange this. You can change this order, but I will just show you how to arrange this. The bigger lid, and on top of that then goes the biggest pot, and on top of that pot the medium sized lid, and then on top the smaller pot. And then on top of that you can either put this lid, the smallest lid, this way, or this is where I use the stand, and you just put the stand, and just to keep this top lid you can use anything, something similar to this plastic stand, so that this lid will stay onto this stand. That's it. And then you can put all these stones whichever way you want, then add water. Just make sure that you have enough water so that the water pump is fully is under the water. And then you are ready to go. And there you go, it's ready. And then you might have to adjust the level of these fountains so that the water will fall from all other side. Now what I did is I also drilled 4 small holes into this lid so that the water will fall from these holes rather than from outside of this edge. The other thing why you want to add stones or flowers is that this water will splash onto the table, and you can adjust the stones such that this water won't splash. And I added these flowers so that the flow will be sort of continuous. And you can make changes to this fountain. You can change the style of these layers. You can put these lids upside down. That way you can change the design.